Hello, if your Miele dishwasher is leaking, there's a bad leak from underneath, and it's coming up with the leak error, which I can't remember what it is, but I'll put it in this part of the video, then the chances are that your spray arms, the middle and the upper spray arms, it's these pipes here that go down underneath and are driven by the pump. The chances is the end of those is a thermoplastic elastomer tube which is moulded onto the end of this hard plastic pipe and then feeds on and connects onto the pump as a union, and that piece of TPE, they call it, rots. It deteriorates and starts to leak. And the problem is that these arms, I can't find them available. They are somewhere in the region of £100. I haven't managed to find them anywhere new, because this is a 2004 machine, but it's a marvellous machine. Just carries on going, but when the TPE parts of these pipes rot, people throw them away, and this one was about to be thrown away because of this problem. So what I did, I found some parts to repair the pipe. It's very easy to do with some clips and some special silicone tubing, and I'll make those available on eBay if you want to buy them at no extra additional cost. We ship out every day as part of the normal business. If you want to fix your Miele dishwasher because you have got the serious leak, then watch the rest of this video in a moment and I'll show you exactly what we're talking about. On many dishwashers these pipes are obsolete, and they do age and they do split, and then you end up with really quite a tough choice. You have to buy a new dishwasher. Now when they leak, they leak big time, and they leak down here. I'll put the light on, you can see better. Down here we've got this boss, the small boss, 19mm and 25mm boss at the back. That's where the water is pumped out of the pump under pressure, and then between this hard plastic pipes and the pump is a piece of flexible thermoplastic elastomer, and I'll cut to that in a moment. You can just see what happens to it. It deteriorates and splits, but you'll see that. Yeah, you can see what happens to this pipe. This is the piece of one of those spray arm feed pipes. This is the large one, I think. You got spring clip, which you put back on when you put this part goes on the pump there. That's where the pump feed nozzle is. That goes back on there, and we supply a kit with 2 silicone boots with the right diameter, or depending which kit you order. If you order both kits, you get both, and a high quality clip, stainless steel clip for the bit to hold the boot on the end of the pipe. Okay, on the end of the pipe, and you basically just cut this flexible bit off, and it will probably falling off. You can see how sloughed and rotten it is. It's just falling apart. It's kind of gone crumbly. I don't know whether it's modern detergents cause it or what, but there's a bit about that long on the end of the pipe, and you just slice it level with the end of the plastic pipe. So the plastic pipe has still got a boot of this molded over the top, but that part's still intact and still very solid. It's only where the water's been flowing through. You can see this part here that's inside clamped onto the pump is okay as well. It's just literally the part that's been exposed to the water and the detergent. So you slice it off, and that's the bit that goes rotten. Back to the video. Now, what I've put on eBay, I've saved many of these dishwashers by, I bought some of this special silicone pipe from a lab supplier. It's very stretchy and very tough pipe, and one end goes on here onto the pump and the other end goes over the top. You cut off the rotten piece of TPE off the end of the hard pipe that's been molded on, and then you just stretch this over and add 2 clips, and there's a kit that contains the large one and the small one in one kit. Not making any money on it. It's really just to save these dishwashers, which is a Miele, this one. Fantastic quality things. Look, they're really beautifully made devices, from being skipped because you can't get the pipes anymore. So hope you found that interesting. Look on eBay. If not, then contact me in the comments below if you want a kit. I bought a load because to get this I had to buy like 200 meters of pipe, but it'll be worth it because, you know, probably save a couple of 100 dishwashers and save everyone a lot of money. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you subscribe down there and leave me a like, because I like likes.